In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Xero bank statement. Whether you're a business owner managing your own books or a finance professional handling client accounts, getting accurate financial data is essential. Sometimes you need to export bank statements for auditing, budgeting, or simply keeping track of your financial health. In this video, I'll guide you through the process, ensuring a smooth and successful export of your bank statement from Xero. Let's start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're on your Xero dashboard, the first thing you need to do is locate and click on the accounting menu. This menu is typically a primary tab visible on the dashboard. It's designed to help you navigate through important financial options Xero offers. Once you have the accounting menu open, you'll want to click on Bank Accounts. This action takes you to a section where all your linked bank accounts are listed. If you manage multiple accounts, this is the stage where you should select the specific account for which you wish to export the statement. With your desired bank account selected, it's time to find the Manage Account button. You'll typically find this button alongside various account options. Clicking on it will present you with several options related to account management. Now, here's an important step that might seem a bit counterintuitive. You'll need to choose to import a statement. You might be wondering why we're selecting import when we need to export. Well, bear with me, because this is actually the pathway in Xero to get to the download template option. At this stage, you'll want to look for an option that says Download Xero CSV Template. This step is crucial. By downloading this template, you're essentially acquiring a format that Xero considers optimal for bank statement data. Using this format is beneficial because it ensures compatibility and helps smooth out any formatting issues that could arise from manual exports. Once you've downloaded the Xero CSV template, make sure you save this file in an easily accessible location on your computer. Saving it in a convenient spot is advisable, especially since you may need to utilize it again for future bank statements. And with that, you've successfully expedited the process of exporting a Xero bank statement. That wraps up our guide on exporting Xero bank statements swiftly and effortlessly. By following these steps, you can ensure your finances are well documented and that you have ready access to the necessary financial data whenever required. Remember, staying organized and maintaining systematic records is key to better financial management and compliance. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.